Hello, my friends. This is bundle time, and let me just tell you, it's like this is playtime, but look, okay, if you are a club member, you can get in on this amazing bundle at an extra low price for 24 hours only. So you must run, literally run to our website, thestampsoflife.com. You are going to get all of these items, and go watch the other videos so you can see how awesome they are. But all of these items that coordinate with our Stamp and Die Hard Club set. Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously, this is so awesome. And all of these items at an extra amazing price. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. First 24 hours they're on the website or until sold out. So hurry up, run. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.